Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, or better yet, your channel. Today, I'm going to talk to you about the location and firing order of the cylinders. In a Toyota 4Runner 4.0 liter six-cylinder from the years 2010 to 2019, here we see an example of an engine from that vehicle. To know the location and firing order of the cylinders, the first thing we need to do is stand in front of the vehicle. We open the hood and look toward the front of the engine. The location and firing order would be as follows. On the left side, the passenger side, are cylinders 1, 3, and 5. On the right side, the driver's side, are the cylinders 2, 4, 6. The order of ignition would be as follows. First, cylinder number 1 fires, which is on the left side, the passenger side, closest to the front. Then cylinder number 2 fires, after that number 3, then number 4. Next, it would fire in cylinder number 5, which is on the side, the left side, on the passenger side, closest to the windshield. And finally, cylinder number 6 would fire, which is on the right side, the driver's side, also closest to the windshield. Well, folks, I have nothing more to say. See you in the next video tutorial. Until then, see you soon.